Level up your tabletop gaming experience with the InKarnate web app. With InKarnate's user-friendly design, there's no need to scour hundreds of pages of rules, keep track of campaigns in notebooks, or spend hours typing in stat blocks to run your RPG gaming sessions. With InKarnate's full vision realized, you will be able to build grand campaigns or single adventures, design worlds and dungeons, roll up characters in minutes, join your friends in person, or play with long-lost comrades in a shared online game space. Furthest along in development is the character creator. Build heroes quickly and effectively with InKarnate's intuitive graphic interface. It adapts to the character decisions you make and calculates the intricate stats under the hood. The initial release will support the D20 rule set, with others following soon after. To create a character, choose from any of the core D20 classes and races. Roll ability scores using the methods outlined in the rules, and assign starting skills and feats. Then choose class-specific powers, like spells for casters, favored enemies for rangers, and familiars for wizards. With InKarnate's info panel, you can reference key information on all of these decisions. The next step is to initiate your character from any level in the base D20 rule set. Roll additional hit points and assign ability points to bring your character fully up to power. To customize your hero, enter a name and physical traits, followed by selecting a portrait from dozens of illustrations that bring to life your character's look. When it is time to assign or purchase starting equipment for your character, the Equip screen together with a marketplace form a convenient avenue to scan through the multitude of items, both mundane and magical, as they are distinctly illustrated. When you vanquish a horrific lich in the bowels of his sanctum and find a holy avenger sheathed and resting on a jeweled sword stand, you won't have to imagine what your new treasure looks like. You can see it. Once you have created a character, use InKarnate to play and manage your hero through the interactive digital character sheet, accessible on your iPad, PC, or Mac. As a web application, there is no need to download anything. You can simply launch InKarnate from your most up-to-date browser. If you want to play old school, however, and just use InKarnate to quickly generate a character, no worries, just print out the digital character sheet and take it with you. The character creator is well ahead in development, but there's one more thing to show: an early look at the map builder. This elegant component helps game masters easily design worlds for their visionary campaigns. The map builder will allow you to conceptualize your adventures by drawing dungeons, cities, wilderness encounters, and then connecting them all together in a layered series of maps. Everything you need to start the campaign at the touch of your fingertips. In addition to the character creator and map builder, the plan is to construct other components such as adventure and encounter creators, campaign tracking tools, and editors to generate monsters, traps, and treasures. In the future, InKarnate envisions a shared interactive game space, support for smartphones and Android tablets, and the inclusion of additional RPG rule sets. With your aid, the funding will allow InKarnate to advance faster and expand the scope of the project. The team behind InKarnate consists of 3 tech industry veterans with over 30 years of combined experience. InKarnate's programmer, Alex Gagan, has honed his skills professionally for over a decade. Producer Mark Hutchinson has spent the last 10 years working for Blizzard Entertainment, and artist Glenn Rain has illustrated and concepted for Blizzard as well as other video game companies. With your help, InKarnate will change how tabletop RPGs are played forever. The goal is to make them more fun, easier to get into, and help players and game masters spend their time building worlds and telling stories, not looking up hundreds of rules and shuffling papers. To support InKarnate, go to our Kickstarter page or visit the official website. Make a donation or give us your thoughts on what would make a great tabletop gaming experience. Any contribution you make will help shape and define InKarnate.